This is a Seagate expansion 10 terabyte. This is external hard drive. It is very similar to Western Digital Easy Store. They look very similar. Today I'm going to unbox it and show how it works. Let's see, this is a hard drive itself. This is an enclosure, and inside there's going to be a regular 3.5 hard drive. Here we have a USB cord, USB 3 to super micro USB. This one goes inside of this, and this is the power adapter. We get different plugs here, like for Europe, and for this one is for UK. Let me show you how it works. You take here, you put in the middle over here, and then you do like this, and this push button to take it off. This hard drive. It looks better than Western Digital. We take this cord and just put it in here. Then you take this power adapter and put it here. You connect this part to your computer and this to your wall outlet. This is a mini computer here. We connect it into USB port. Just like that. We connect it to USB port. We see the light here. And then you go to this PC and see it right there, expansion. So it's in reality just a little bit over 9 terabytes, so about roughly 10%, almost 10% is missing. This is right here, expansion F. It's already formatted. I get some files here, warranty information. It's great, works right away, no drivers, no nothing. You just connect it and then you can copy all your precious files. It actually has some noise from a hard drive. It's right there.